Hi there! So you received your blind spot mirrors from UTOPICAR. Now let me show you the best way to install them. Ideally, you want to install them on the top outer corner of your car door mirror. If your car has blind spot monitors, which is that little light, then you want to install this mirror right underneath that. Also, one thing to keep in mind is that this mirror can be installed as fixed. If you only peel this and install it, it will be flush on the car mirror and it will be fixed. You won't be able to adjust it, but it will work out great. The other option is if you really want to adjust it, you can use this plastic base and install it like this on the car mirror and you'll be able to adjust it. Either way, this is going to work great because this is such a big mirror. Now, the most common mistake that you want to avoid is to peel the adhesives before you know exactly where you want to place it. So make sure you take the time to know where you want to place it in your car mirror and then decide whether you want it fixed or adjustable with the base, and then you can peel the adhesives and place it in the right spot. Lastly, we believe our customer service is the best. If you have any questions, simply send us an email or shoot me a text. If for any reason you need to return them, please don't send them back to Amazon, because they will penalize us for any return we have. The best and fastest solution is that you contact us and we'll help you right away.